Hello and welcome to bdsgrowth.com. This video will be covering your brand setup and content pillars. I hope you had the opportunity to watch the intro video, which basically summarizes the platform. We went through everything there. Now we're going to do the brand setup and content pillars. So, brand setups. Now, as I said in the intro video, the important part about the brand setups is that the AI will take all the information that you have input into the brand setup and the content pillars, and it will use it to generate the videos. Now, obviously, we'll go through other functionalities that the AI has while it is compiling your media. But right now, brand setup and content pillar is the most vital and most important part of setting up your platform correctly. Now, this could be a very tedious process, and we kind of figured that. So what we did is we created an AI assistant. Okay, so this is your setup assistant. What you would have to do, like, assuming you have a website, you just put in your website URL and it'll scrape it and it'll compile all the information and set up your brand and content pillars. If you don't have a website, just say which industry you are and give it as much information as you possibly can, and it will still set up. Right now, we're going to use one of our current clients' websites, and we'll take it from there. He's a it's a mortgage company. Let's go. It's a what is it? Speedy. It's mortgage by Speedy. Um, what it's doing right now, it's basically going to the website and gathering as much as information as it can, and it'll generate the brand name and content pillar setup. Take a usually takes anywhere between 30 to 60 seconds, depending on how much it needs to review on the website. So here it is. So this is what it returned, all the information. And if you look here, the name's here, the brand tone. Now, obviously, we recommend that you review it, make any kind of edits you'd like. As far as compliance and restrictions, the assistant will not generate this. It's important, like if you're in the legal industry, you're in the mortgage industry, you're in the health industry, whatever regulations or compliance, I would definitely put this in. It's important. Over here, you put in your content branding. Now, this basically is you upload your logo, for example, which will be generated into the videos. Now, you don't have to put any of these assets in. It's completely up to you. For example, let's say we hit choose file and we click MBS logo, upload. It'll upload. It'll tell you logo uploaded successfully. Then over here, this is for the thumbnails for your videos. You click upload, then it'll upload it. So on and so forth. To simplify it, here's the other one for the 9 by 9/16 upload. Now here's a very unique feature that we implemented, and it's really a time saver. You can actually put in here the website a URL and generate and apply. And what it will do is it'll create a QR code that'll go into the video that it's generating automatically. Now you could update the URL anytime you'd like, depending on the video or what type of video you're generating. Here are your primary colors because when the video is generated, it does create cards, and it will use these primary colors for the cards that it generates. Now let's click save. And automatically, as you can see, it generates the content pillars, home buying guides. Now, this is important. Go through all of it, review it, edit it, whatever you think you need to do. Campaign definitions, the CTA. You could put in there trial, 7-day free trial, or or anything of that nature, obviously. So now we're gonna hit save content pillars. So it saved your content pillars. Now, here's the beauty of this. You can actually say this also. Let's say, one day you're concentrating on generating social media for a mortgage company. And next day you say, you know what? I think I'm starting a new venture and I want to build a new YouTube page, new Facebook page for business or what have you. You can still stay on the same platform. All you have to do is go into your AI assistant very simply and say clear brand. Then you would have to type in confirm. So now, if you notice, literally everything is cleared. You would have to remove these individually and re-upload the new company information, and that's pretty much it. So this is your brand setup. Again, it's the most important part of setting up your company correctly. I would spend as much time as you feel you need to, obviously, but this pretty much covers the brand setup. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email us at support@bdsgrowth.com, and we'll usually get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. And again, important, you could ask our chatbot any question. It could most likely answer most of your questions. I don't want to say 100% of your questions, but I'd say most of your questions. Again, thank you and have a great day, evening, or afternoon.